Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to jack a Mini Cooper. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure you have all your essential tools ready, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Always work on a flat, stable surface and remember to engage your parking brake. Blocking the wheels that remain on the ground is also a crucial safety step. Now, let's find the correct jack points on your Mini Cooper. These are specially reinforced areas designed to safely support the vehicle's weight. You'll typically find 4 of them, one near each wheel, often along the side skirts. If you're unsure, your owner's manual provides precise diagrams and instructions for locating these critical points, ensuring you lift your car correctly. With your jack points identified, it's time to lift the vehicle. Carefully position your jack directly under one of the designated jack points, ensuring it's centered and stable. Begin to slowly raise the Mini Cooper, watching to make sure it lifts evenly. Once the tire is clear of the ground, immediately place your jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame rails for crucial support before working underneath. After completing your work, it's time to safely lower your Mini Cooper. First, double-check that all tools and equipment are clear from underneath the vehicle. Then, carefully remove the jack stands. Slowly release the jack's valve to gently lower the car back onto the ground, ensuring a controlled descent. Once fully down, remove the jack and wheel chocks. And hey, while you're working hard, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.